Zipline Platform 2 is an autonomous drone delivery system. It will allow people to make deliveries at the touch of a finger. The system includes a fixed-wing electric VTOL drone called P2Zip, and a tethered delivery droid that's integrated with docking stations. P2Zip can carry packages weighing up to 8 pounds and fly over 11.6 miles in just 10 minutes. The payload always remains in an upright position during the journey. The self-piloting droid can land on a variety of surfaces at the desired location and deliver packages safely even in hard-to-reach areas. Both vehicles are equipped with sensors to avoid obstacles and land softly. The tether design also allows the entire system to operate faster and quieter. P2 is designed to perform end-to-end deliveries in a precise and efficient manner, and to provide a viable option for a variety of household and business applications.